Welcome everyone to Group 1's presentation. So in the last semester, we proposed to conduct an I-class cleaning machine. And to give you an overview of our progress, in the last 8 weeks, we have managed to conduct 3 lo-fi prototypes that can mimic the basic function of our desired product. And although we faced several implementation challenges, the idea fortunately has not been modified drastically. And one of the most important lessons that we gained throughout the process is that focusing on solving the main pain points will help us prioritize the different features of the product better. And let us introduce you to our first prototype. This one was made of 99% of paper, and the main purposes of making the first prototype is to estimate the size and the structure of the machine. And let's take a look at the video.
For our motor, we're using a 12-volt DC motor with the power source from our battery. By applying Arduino and its code, we have been able to control it in the speed we want to. And with this, we then start with our carbon prototype.
Yeah, so now we try to put the motors into our second prototype. And the second prototype is made out of the cardboard. It's a more refined version of the first one, and also a draft for the real products. So overall, we can have a better ideas of the real size, for example, the precise width and length of the products, and also the necessary space for the process of final assembling all of the components into the final products. So as we can see on the screen, is quite small and easy to use. Just at the same time, it's difficult to arrange the motor required for the two wheels to function properly without making the whole product losing and being too flimsy. And not to mention the fact that the attachment to the lid or the grommet is too fragile when running. So that's why we need to change the design and the arrangement to better equip the needed motors and all of the components into the final product.
We realize it is hard to connect the motor system when we do the folding lid like the first 2 prototypes. So for the third prototype, we changed the way we open and close the machine so that the wire can connect together more easily and the 4 motors can run. So the way the machine operates is similar to the previous prototype. The only different things that we do here is we put in a drawer system so we can pull out and push in the lid part. So for the third prototype, we have to create a new design, and we have to be mindful about our measurements. And now we will move on to discuss about our next steps for the products.
So our product currently have 4 main features, and we are prioritizing as so. Firstly, we prioritize the motor, then the wheels, then the outside box, and lastly, the cleaning sponge. The reason for this is that the motor and the wheels are the harder parts to do for us, and we want to make sure our prototype can run smoothly. For our future plan, we want to keep testing the 4 wheels motor because we want to make our product the best that it can be. Then we will complete our current prototype and solve existing problem like the arrangement of the motor and the mechanism of the cleaning sponge. Then we will find more ways to improve the product, like maybe incorporating fun theories into the machine. And when we get the material from Makerspace, we can start on our final product. But if we cannot get the 4 wheels to work, we will focus only on the 2 wheels and maybe shift our focus to other aspect of the product to still make this machine more convenient and fun for user to use. And about our teamwork, all of us met each other for the first time at the beginning of the semester, and we have been working very well. We are willing to work and help one another, and we do our own parts well. But we want to improve on time management and schedule conflicts in future meetings that we want to have to finish our products this semester. But we look forward to finish this product and form more memories with one another. And that is the end of our check-in presentation. Thank you for listening.